Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm you are level 12 or above and have 3 healing items because fights are punishing. Once done, travel to Frostvale and complete the Gatekeeper mini-quest to open the Northern Pass. This unlocks the spawn layer. Then clear Dusktime patrols. Blue Wraiths drop Azure Shards at a 35% rate, so farm until you have 5. Make sure to use area effect attacks to speed kills and save before dusk to reset spawns efficiently. Once you have 5 Azure Shards, head to the frozen altar at the cave entrance and place them to reveal a hidden pathway beneath the ice. Proceed. You will encounter a rune puzzle that requires rotating 3 glyphs to match the sunrise pattern. Align left, center, right in that order to open the next gate. Next, face the Frost Warden Elite. Its shield drops only after 2 flame-based hits, so switch to fire spells. Then finish with heavy strikes to avoid. You arrive at the Sanctum. Follow the aligned light beams to the central pedestal, where the Azure Sword rests behind an ice seal. Perform the ritual by interacting and holding for 6 seconds while channeling energy. This breaks the seal if you met prior conditions. Once the sword appears, equip it immediately to absorb its ash aura. If the sword does not spawn, reload your save at dawn, reconfirm you still have 5 shards in inventory, and repeat the altar ritual to force a respawn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.